Here is the best way to learn how to fly drones. In my previous video I talked about the Mini 2, and I mentioned this as well. I just wanted to do a separate video on this. This is the Holystone drone from Amazon. This is a product I would recommend buying new, because you don't really buy this. This is probably not even offered used. It's so cheap. This was like $30, $35, something like that. It's a great drone, not going to break the bank. It's got the bumpers, so very quiet and very resistant to crashing. I mean, I've dive bombed, crashed the thing. My son and daughter are learning how to fly this as well. It's a great drone to work up to some of the bigger stuff. This will be the next drone I recommend, the Mini 2. I have a video on that. You can go check it out. But this comes with 3 batteries. There's one in here and just a little USB charger to plug it in. They charge pretty quickly. And it lasts a decent amount, maybe 5 minutes, which is pretty good for how tiny these batteries are. Let's see how many milliamps they are. 250 milliamps. But as I mentioned in my other video, it takes some dialing in to get it right, and it doesn't work every time. That's the thing I love about DJI. That's why I have several DJI drones, is they work every single time. Every single time. All day long, every single time. I power it on, I know it's going to work. Sometimes I don't even, which I shouldn't, I don't even test it to make sure it works. I just fly off, which is what I shouldn't do. But it hasn't failed, well, it has failed me once. But that's another for another time. But I trust them. They're very good products. This is the remote. You can do little flips with this thing. But this is a great way to learn and get into drones, to learn how to fly, how to take pictures, and how to get cooler shots than just your normal iPhone shots when you're hiking, when you're off-roading, when you're backpacking, when you're driving, just anything. Holystone, check it out. Peace.